Hello everyone! Today we're taking a look at this portable jump starter. So what's awesome is it comes with this nice carrying case, and I love when jump starter and air compressors come in cases. So if we open this up, we can see on the top here is our alligator clamps. So this is what they look like. All jump starters, or 99% of jump starters, all work the same, and that is you plug this into the jump starter, you then connect your negative, which is the minus, the black, so negative, black, minus, alligator clamp onto the terminal of the battery, and then you connect your positive red plus to the terminal on the plus, the red, the positive side of your battery, and then you're good to go. But let's take a look at the actual jump starter and pull it out here. This thing is big, which is good. It means it's got more features. So I love this. I love this. Most jump starters do not have a carrying handle. This one does. I love it. This one also has an emergency light that you guys can use as well. So let's go ahead and power this on by pressing and holding the power button. And now we can see the display here. It shows the battery level. It shows bar, so we probably can change that. There's some settings you can go under. PSI, KPA, bar, PSI. You can change the PSI as well, the pressure and all that. You have your light up here and you can press and hold. Oh wow, that is super bright. Wow, even with all these lights on. Flashing mode. Slow flash. And off. Very nice. So, in here you just can, oh that's nice, you can actually mount that. You can also charge devices with this. You got a Type-C and a USB port in there. The Type-C might be to charge the unit itself. But overall, I'm liking this so far. Let's go ahead and take a look at the air compressor. And so they give you extensions and all kinds of different goodies inside there. All right, so take this, mount this on here, just twist. And now let's go ahead and see if there's an auto off feature. So this whole unit did auto go off, and here we go. You just simply press the power button. Don't hold it, just press it. And let's see. Okay, so it did automatically go off. It is a little delayed. So there's definitely a delay with the going off. I would say 1 to 2 second delay. So about 2 second delay before it actually turns off automatically. But overall, a nice jump starter. So over here, you just connect your cables for the jump starter. And we're gonna show you guys just a generic demo video that we created on how it actually looks. All right guys, so you just connect the positive to the positive and negative to the negative. So red positive, black negative. So we're going to go ahead and plug this in here once we have it connected.